Are you looking for a passive income? Dividend stocks is one of the best ways to do that. Maybe you're already a dividend investor and you're looking to add some more positions to your portfolio. In this video, I have 20 different stocks with an ex-dividend date in the month of December. Greetings and welcome to my channel. My name is Troy Thomas. Before we kick things off, I have a little disclaimer. First of all, I am not licensed to give financial advice, so any information I put out in this video is meant just as a stepping stone for you to go and do your own research before making any investments with your own money. Also, I'd like to ask you to hit that like button at any point during this video. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and I could really use some help growing this channel. Also, please consider subscribing to the channel. Alright, so the topic of this video is dividend stocks that have an ex-dividend date in the month of December. If you're new to dividend investing, realize that if you want to collect a dividend from a certain stock, you must own that stock the day before the ex-dividend date. For example, if it has an ex-dividend date on the 15th, you must own that stock on the 14th or before in order to collect that current dividend. Alright, one more little disclaimer before we get started with the list, and that is all of the information in this video, such as the prices and yields and all of the percentages, the stock market fluctuates all the time, so these numbers are going to be a little bit different from the time that you go and do your own research for these stocks. Alright, so with that being said, let's jump in. I'm going to start with the beginning of the month and work our way through to the end. So the first one up is Goldman Sachs with an ex-dividend date on December 1st. Their stock is up 74% in the last year, up to $400, and they pay a dividend of $2 per share. TipRanks has this as a strong buy, and they think it's going to go up another 15% with a 12-month price target of $464. Another stock with an ex-dividend of December 1st is Shutterstock, ticker symbol SSTK. Their current price is about $113. They are up 66% in the past year. They pay a dividend of 21 cents per share. TipRanks has this as a strong buy, possible upside potential of 22%, price target $140. Anthem is up next, ticker symbol ANTM. Their current price is about $424, ex-dividend date on December 2nd. Their stock price has risen 37% in the past year, and they give a dividend of $1.13. TipRanks has this also as a strong buy with a 13% upside potential, possibly being $475 a year from now. Another December 2nd ex-dividend date has Dominion Energy with the ticker symbol D. Their stock is just under $75 right now. It's actually down a little bit in the past year. They pay a dividend of 63 cents, and TipRanks has this as a moderate buy, possible 8% upside potential to $81. Moving on, we have UnitedHealth with the next dividend date on December 3rd. Their ticker symbol is UNH. The current price for their stock is $450, and it's up about 34% in the past year. They pay a dividend of $1.45 per share. TipRanks has this as a strong buy, 8% upside potential, with a price target of $484. A couple days later, on December 6th, we have an ex-dividend date for Cigna, ticker symbol CI. Their stock is currently about $210. It's about the same as last year, up just about 1%. They pay a dividend of $1 per share. TipRanks has this as a moderate buy, but it has a possible upside potential of 22%. Price target is $257. Electronic Arts, ticker symbol EA, is up next, ex-dividend date on December 7th. Their stock price is about $126 right now. It's only up about 4% in the past year. They pay a 17-cent dividend, and TipRanks has them as a strong buy, 38% upside potential, price target of $174. Another one on December 7th is Texas Roadhouse, ticker symbol TXRH. Current price is about $88, $89, somewhere in there. That's up about 16% in the past year. They pay a dividend of 40 cents per share. TipRanks has it as a moderate buy, 15% upside potential, just over $100 price target. Moving over a day for December 8th, ex-dividend date, we have Medical Properties, ticker symbol MPW. Current price is just about $22. It's up about 11% in the past year. They pay a dividend of 28 cents per share. TipRanks has this as a strong buy with about a 12% upside potential. Price target is about $24.50. Another one for December 8th is Triton International, ticker symbol TRTN. Their current price is about $60. It's up about 30% in the past year. They pay 65 cents per share. TipRanks has this as a moderate buy, upside of about 22%, and a price target of about $74. Moving along, we have Walmart, ticker symbol WMT. Their price is about $146 right now. They have an ex-dividend date on December 9th. Their stock is actually down about 4% in the past year. They pay out 55 cents per share. TipRanks still has this as a strong buy, 18% upside potential. Price target is about $172. FedEx has an ex-dividend date on December 10th. Their stock is $245 right now, and it's down about 15% in the past year. They pay a dividend of 75 cents per share. TipRanks still has a strong buy, even though they've been down in the past year. So they're saying it's got a 25% upside potential with a price target of about $305. This next stock is one that I don't really know anything about. I don't even know how to pronounce the name of the company, but I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to guess that it is Gilead, with the ticker symbol GILD. They have an ex-dividend date on December 14th. Their current stock price is just under $70. They've gone up about 17% in the past year. They pay 71 cents per share, and TipRanks has it as a moderate buy, upside of about 14%. And their price target is a little under $80. Motorola Solutions, ticker symbol MSI, is up next. December 14th is their ex-dividend date. Current price is about $260, and that's up about 52% since last year. They pay a dividend of 79 cents, and TipRanks has it as a strong buy, only 11% upside potential. But the price target is about $289. Another one for December 14th is one that I kind of like. I think I have about 10 shares of this. Preferred Apartment Communities, ticker symbol APTS. Their current price is about $14.32. Look at this. They're up 68% in the past year. One of the reasons I like this is because it's got a pretty decent yield at 4.9%. The dividend, they only pay 17.5 cents per share, but I mean, when it's only under $15 per share, that's not too bad. TipRanks has this as a strong buy with a 6% upside potential, and their price target is about $15.13. Up next, another one for December 14th. I didn't even know this company was public, but here they are. World Wrestling, ticker symbol WWE. You can pick up their stock for about $52 right now, which is up about 26% in the past year. They pay a dividend of 12 cents per share. TipRanks has this as a moderate buy with a 17% upside potential, 12-month price target of just about $62. Here's another one I like and I think appeals to some newer investors just because it's got a lower stock price, and it's Huntington Bank Shares, ticker symbol HBAN. Their current price is sitting at about $16.38, and it's up about 31% in the past year. Their ex-dividend date is on December 16th. They pay a dividend of 15.5 cents. TipRanks has it as a moderate buy, just an 8% upside potential, price target of just under $18. All right, we're going to jump from December 16th all the way to December 30th. Not much going on between there. There are some stocks, but none that I really felt compelled to mention in this list. So December 30th, ex-dividend date, we have Humana, ticker symbol HUM. Their current price is sitting at about $434. It's up about 6% in the past year. They pay a dividend of 70 cents per share, and TipRanks has them as a strong buy with an 18% upside potential. Price target is $512. Moving on to the last day of the month, we have Cardinal Health, ticker symbol CAH. Current price is a little under $50 right now. It's down about 8% in the past year. But they do pay just over 49 cents per share. TipRanks has this as a moderate buy, 16% upside potential with a price target of about $56. All right, we've made it to the last one on the list. It is Cubesmart, ticker symbol CUBE. Their current price is just under 55 bucks, but look at this, it's up 69% in the past year. They pay a dividend of 43 cents per share. TipRanks has this as a strong buy with a 7% upside potential. Price target, a little under $59. So there's 20 different stocks with an ex-dividend date in the month of December. Now, of course, there are many other stocks that have ex-dividend dates throughout December, but if you've noticed, all the ones I have listed are either a strong buy or a moderate buy from the analysts at TipRanks. So, I mean, if the experts are going to recommend these, that's what I'm going to recommend also. But remember, I'm not licensed to give financial advice, so go and do your own research. So which of these piqued your interest? Which ones do you think have the best potential? Let me know in the comments below. All right, so that's it for this video. Once again, I'm going to ask you, please hit that like button for me and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, have a great day.